OMG.
What does she have on?
She's ratchet. So, like, it's like practically snowing outside, and like I can't go out and like shuffle snow. I might break a nail, a cuticle.
And like it's like so freaking cold. Like I won't even survive out there for like 2 seconds.
Like my nipples got so hard. I swear ice cream came out of them.
Right?
Oh my god.
That's not right, because then that means you have milk coming out of your nipples and like it froze.
But it did.
But that's not cute.
But neither is Rochelle's drawers, but or Alyssa's bras for that matter. Oh my god, who has a fishnet bra, right? And like it's got holes and everywhere. That's not cute.
Like your nipple would pop out.
Like her nipple popped out.
She ratchet.
She ratchet. She about to eat an apple. It's been sitting there for like 2 months. And that's ratchet. Things are wet.
As fuck.
So like we recorded her voicemail and it was like so epically cute, so I'm gonna play it. I know you can hear it, it might be a little bit loud, but I do apologize.
OMG, what does she have on? She ratchet. Like, you know what to do. Leave a message after the beep, and we will get back to you. Or what it says.
That's how real bitches do it, okay? That's how we roll here on the west side, since we are west side trash.
Right? Like that's how Barbie bitches do it.
Right, like we're west side trash. I guess. Like this girl, Kirsten, talks so much shit. And she's ratchet. Yeah, she's ratchet.
As fuck.
As fuck. She's ratchet. Ratchet.
You ratchet?
So, like, I don't even know what to say. I just found out that one of my female friends for a long period of time is, like, HIV positive since she was, like, 13. 1 and 3. That's not cute. You should have at least told a bitch instead of keeping shit. Let's get real.
I don't know what to say about that.
I don't know what to say about it either. It's just ratchet. Is she ratchet? So, like, oh my god. OMG! It's getting snowier and snowier outside, and it's like freezing ball sacks. If I had nuts, they would so be in my stomach right now. So be in my stomach.
This is not cool. We need summer back.
We do. I need to get tan. I'm getting pale and I can't stand. I need to go get my nails done, girl. And my toes, girl. And I need to get these tracks refreshed, girl. These tracks is coming out, baby. Yeah, I said it. My tracks is coming out.
Jesus help us.
Oh, y'all want to watch me roll a joint? You got it, girl. Oh, man, I was going to say watch me, like, roll a joint. And don't shit yourselves because, oh, my God, I just hit it so hard. But since you can't watch me, we're going to end this video and make another video. OMG. That's not cute.